So ayan sir, nagload ako ng bala. Ayan. Ayun yung half rubber na orange, yung for UAD. So try ulit natin sir. Yan. Okay. So, firing. So ang ginagamit kong cancer is ganyan. Mahirap to eh. Pero kaya naman. So ganun sir. Double tap natin. Isa pa. Ulit. Malakas kasi yung recoil. Ulit sir, ulit. Yan. So yung kanyang blue. So ayan. Tapos na. Thank you very much Sir Anton of Maasin City.